Alright guys, this is going to be our last song tonight. And I need you to stand up. I desperately need you to stand up. The song, for some of you, is going to make you say, what? For some of you, it's going to excite you beyond all reason. So if you start jumping around, just be careful not to knock over anything breakable.
We should probably actually tell us what the song's about. Maybe that would help a little bit.
The song that we're about to do was written by a guy called Flyleaf. Who's heard of Flyleaf? This song is a tragic song. It's about the song is written about the Columbine shootings. It's a place. And it's about the girl Cassie, who was asked the question, do you believe in God? And whether she answers yes or no determined whether she would live or die. And I want to know something, how many of you guys would say yes if there's a person, Eric or Dylan, namely, if a person came up to you and held a gun to your head and said, do you believe in God? How many of you would honestly say yes? How many of you guys would say yes, but you'd be a little bit scared? How many of you guys would be a lot scared? Yeah. How many of you guys know that no matter what happens, no matter where you go, whatever happens, it doesn't matter. But that when you die eventually, because last time I checked, 10 out of 10 people die. So, thank you, Erica. Thank you. Anyway, so when you die, how many of you guys know where you're going? How many of you guys know? How many of you know beyond a shadow of a doubt where you're going to end up? That's what I like to hear.
Well, how many of y'all would say yes? Y'all ready?
Yes.
Ready?
Let's go.
I'm ready.
I